Bangalore saw yet another property show over the weekend. Makaan.com presented their first expo in the city and the sixth in the nationwide series of similar events. The two-day event was inaugurated by Anupam Mittal, Chairman and Managing Director of People Group. Like many other shows that Bangalore has been witness to in the recent past, this one too had a mix of local and national developers come together to showcase their projects. Properties ranging from 5 lakhs to 5 crores were on display, and seekers got to choose from options of plots, villas, row houses and apartments. On the first day of the event, we caught up with Anupam Mittal, who told us about the Pan-India property show. We also quizzed him on realty-related issues.
The thing is that real estate is a very involved decision, and it usually involves a large investment from people. So coming together in the real world, meeting developers, assessing their credibility, evaluating projects, really sort of happens at expos such as these. You can do that for multiple properties, for multiple developers under one roof. So I think we've hit the nail as far as creating a need, or really addressing a need for something like that. Wherever we've gone, it's been tremendous, except one expo which we probably did not execute very well. I'd say all the others have been a stupendous success, and you yourself can see what's been happening today. So we're pretty happy with what's been going on.
He said that these shows were aimed at catering to the housing needs of upwardly mobile groups and to provide a platform to engage them in a meaningful discussion with the property seller. So we asked him if the recent hike in prices could affect the online business or people's buying intentions.
You know, the last few years have spoiled us. What we saw in the last few years, I wouldn't call that normal appreciation. That was a one-time readjustment of the asset value in India. Most asset classes in India were undervalued, whether it's the stock market, property and so on. And once India became a growth market, those asset classes got revalued. So we saw 300-400% appreciation in a period of 4 to 5 years. Now because of that, people have started expecting that to continue. That's not going to happen. We've seen that adjustment. Now it's time for some readjustment. In that adjustment, some markets got overpriced, some markets got underpriced. So Bangalore in my mind is still underpriced. Bombay is overpriced. Over the next few months, years, I expect those readjustments to happen. Along with that, you're seeing inflation, you're seeing oil at crazy levels, you're seeing volatility. In such circumstances, consumers tend to, at least the speculators get out, which is good in a sense. But the long-term investors tend to, and the homeowners or home buyers, step back and want the volatility to settle down. I think volatility will settle down over the next 3 to 6 months. There'll be readjustment in some markets, but broadly the fundamentals and the structural changes in India are still intact. Over a 5 to 10 year period, I see real estate doing extremely well in this country, and there's really no reason to worry if you're not speculating.
Now, according to Makaan.com data, the city ranks among the top 3 property hotspots in India. Every month, the website gets over 1.22 lakh users who are looking for property in Bangalore. From Bangalore with Sujit on camera, this is Soumya Nair reporting for Real Estate Television.